Hey world, Ron here. We're on South Las Vegas Boulevard, a place called Seven Magic Mountains. It's currently being repainted. This installation of land art, Ugo Rondione. And well, we're just seeing how the rehab of the vandalism is taking place. And it's an extensive procedure, so good on them for making these repairs. As roadside attractions go, it's phenomenal. It is a bit gaudy, a bit baroque, and stunning. So if you get out here before 2027, the projected end date of said installation, check it out. It's a great place for people watching, and I don't know, you get a little bit of the desert. Very little, but you get to see some of it. So have a wonderful day. See you now.